YouTube, so I'm gonna do the compound. I'm gonna use the compound to let you know how it goes before and after. As you can see right there, it's just very old paint. I just got done washing the car. I dried it, truck I mean. Just clean up the wheel, give it enough time for this to fully dry before I put the compound on here. I'm gonna see if it makes the paint look a little better. I also plan on doing a paint correction. As you can see, the spots right there, but that's later on when I have more time. Today I'm gonna just focus on the driver door and the rear passenger driver side door, and if I have time I'll do the side of the bed. So you can see my reflection now. You couldn't do it before. It got kind of dark on me, but here is the compound, then the polish, and then the wax. So I just did the cab. Man, it's beautiful. All right, this is the bed. You might think it looks the same, but it's really not, man. You can't even tell the difference. Okay, so you see all that stuff right there? Here, like, you just see me perfectly. Yeah, I gotta record it during the day because it's getting kind of dark on me. It all looks the same, but in real life, it's a big. Oh, there you go. Can you see the difference here? Probably not, huh? Man, it looks so good. All right, you see my reflection? You see how I get a lot blurrier? You see the difference? Reflection, clear. There you go. Blurry. There you go.